Hello guys, how are you? Okay, our lesson today will be on vocabulary, and this is lesson 23. Let's start with the first word for today. Okay, here this word is die. Die. Okay, here the Y, we change the Y here to I, so it's die. Die. Okay, what is the meaning of die? To color. The meaning of dye is to color. I'm using here special liquids to change the color of any material or any cloth. So this is the meaning of dye, to color. Okay, let's go to the next word. Here I have three consonants. So I say str, 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 ands, strands, strands. So what the meaning of strands? Yeah. So the meaning of strands are thin pieces of hair or string. This is a string. So strands means thin pieces of hair or string. Strands. Strands. Okay, let's go to number 3. Here I have E and A, and E and A give me sound E. So weave, weave, weave. Okay, look at this picture. What is the woman doing here? She's making a carpet. This is a carpet. So the woman here is weaving a carpet. She's weaving a carpet. So the meaning of weaving is to make an item. Here, this is the item. I'm making here an item by crossing materials over one another. So she's using here some what we call this? Strands. Strands. So she's using here strands to weave a carpet. Okay? And here also, this is the same. So, weave. Weave. Okay, let's go to number 4. Yarn. Yarn. Okay, and this is the yarn. Here, this is a ball of yarn. Yarn. So we are using the string or strand to make yarn. Okay, so yarn. Let's go to number 5. Spinning. Spinning. Okay, who can tell me what is the base word from this one here? Spin. Spin. Very good. So I double here the N because I have two consonants. The I and the I here are two consonants. That's why we double. Sorry, they are two vowels. That's why I'm doubling here the N, the consonant here. So if I have two vowels, I must double the consonant. So the base word here is spin. Spin. And the meaning of spin here is to twist. Twist. Spin. To twist. This is a spinning top. Okay. Also, here, the spider here is spinning its web. Spider is spinning its web. This is another meaning of spinning. Also, we have another meaning. Yeah, this is a spinning wheel. We use it to make yarn. Yeah, if I want to make yarn, I can use a spinning wheel to make yarn. And this is a strands. Strands. So I'm using here the strands to make a yarn, a ball of yarn. Okay, so number 6 here is duplicate. Duplicated. Duplicated. Okay, the meaning of duplicated is to copy. Here, the meaning of duplicate is to copy. As you can see here, is to make an exact copy of it. This is the original one, and this is duplicate. Duplicate. So it's the same like the original. It's duplicate. Okay, and here I have here, this is the original key, and here a duplicate key, a duplicate keys. So we can say he had a duplicate keys made from that one. Duplicated. Duplicated. Okay. Okay, here I have here I-O-U-S, and the sound of I-O-U-S is shus. Shus. So delicious. I have here C-I-O-U-S and gives me sound shus. So delicious. Delicious. What the meaning of delicious? Yeah. Yeah, we describe food that has great flavor. We can describe it delicious. Like this one here. That tastes delicious. Okay. So, what is the opposite or the antonym of delicious? Who knows? Awful. Awful. So, delicious, the opposite of delicious is awful. Okay. Let's go to the last word. Sharpening. 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 Yeah. So the base word here is sharp. Sharp. Or sharpen. Sharpen. Okay. Look at this one. Yeah. So to sharpen is to make the edge here very pointed or thin. To make the edge very pointed or thin. So we can say, don't forget to sharpen your pencil. Don't forget to sharpen your pencil. And look at this one here. The man here is sharpening the axe. He is sharpening the axe. Okay, now we will revise all the words again from our textbook. So the first word here is, I want you to read it alone. Very good. Yarn. Yarn. So this is the yarn here. Yarn. Okay. People use yarn to knit sweaters, hats, and mittens. People use yarn. We use yarn to knit sweaters, hats, and mittens. Very good. The meaning of mittens here is to... the meaning of mittens here is gloves. So mittens, gloves. Okay, let's see number 2. Who can read it? Okay, strands, strands. So, can you see here? Strands, all the strands here. Okay, the strands of yarn are tied into knots at the bottom of this rug. Okay, so the strands of yarn are tied into knots at the bottom of this rug. Okay, let's go to number 3. Spinning, spinning. Okay, and as you can see here, this is the spinning wheel. So it takes a lot of practice spinning chunks of wool into thin yarn. So the lady here is making a yarn. So she's using the spinning wheel to spin thin yarn. Okay, let's go to number 4. Who can read the word? Very good. Dye, dye. These shirts are soaked in dye to make them colorful. These shirts are soaked in dye to make them colorful. Soak here means to dip, dip. So, these shirts are soaked in dye means color, to make them colorful. This is a liquid, a colorful liquid, or a colored liquid. We use it to color cloth or any material. Okay, number 5. Who can read it? Weave, weave. Okay. So we said that the meaning of weave is to make an item, any item. So before we talked about a carpet, but here the woman here is making a basket. So weave is to make an item by crossing materials over one another. So this woman will weave dried grasses. She's using dried grasses to make basket here. Okay, number 6, sharpening, sharpening. Yes, this pencil doesn't need sharpening anymore. It doesn't need sharpening anymore. Okay, number 7 here. Can you read it? Okay, duplicated, duplicated. So some colors on this rug are duplicated. They appear again and again. You can see here The colors are duplicated. They are repeated. So the meaning of duplicate is to copy. Okay, delicious. Delicious. Huh. As you can see here, this baker makes delicious cakes. They are very tasty. They are very tasty. Okay, we have finished today our lesson. So thank you for listening and goodbye.